Hey guys, me TESLAB Blaine. I'm back again, and now I finally got something that's going to help me in my long drives when I'm driving down the highway and my neck starts to get a little sore. I got me a pillow, well, a headrest pillow from tesery. Let's take a look at it. All right, here we go. So just took these things out of the box. I tell you what, they're pretty soft. And I got the white ones. I believe they got different colors, different flavors you can do. Let me open these things up here. All right. Package inside a package. I can feel it already like opening up. Man, these things, this is a soft leather. I mean, it's not really a leather, but man, and it's like the foam inside is starting to expand a little bit. It's got these little rubber pieces here, and it does look like, so you can open it up. There you go. You can open it up if you needed to clean it or do anything like that. Maybe add some more foam or whatever you wanted to do. I mean, it's a little wrinkled right now, but give it some time in the sun or whatever, it's going to come out. But man, I can tell these things are nice. Can't wait to try them out. So I'm going to go. I got two of them here, one for the passenger, one for my side. I want to go ahead and get them out there, and we're going to take a look at them, see what they look like. So I do want to point out one thing. Yes, it comes with two straps. I don't think you're going to need two straps. Secondly, the straps, if you look right here, you can just take them off like that. So if you only want one strap and you want the headrest to be raised up higher or lower, depending on where you put them onto these back straps here, you got a choice. So I'm going to get out there and see which one I like to do. So anyways, it just goes in there like this, push it all the way through. There we go. Like that. And you can adjust them pretty easily right there, depending on what they are. Now I have a 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper, and that's what I'm putting these in. But honestly, they could go inside of any car. They can go inside my wife's van, my other daughter's Tesla Model 3. I mean, it can go inside of anything, really, as long as they just strap around. So, but I got this, like I said, for my car. I got the Juniper, and yeah, let's go out there and see what they look like. I got them installed, and what I like about them, it's got that little bit of dip right there, so my head can sit over it, but they're putting the pressure right here on my neck. So when I'm driving, I can just sit back and relax, and this is nice. The reason why I need it is because on my Tesla, these headrests are not adjustable. You can't move them up and down. You can't do anything with them, so they're sitting there. And normally, I like to have my seats back just a little bit. So when they're back a little bit, then I'm sitting here like this, and my head has to go way back. But now, I have these that can sit, the pillows that can sit right above my shoulders now, and it puts a little bit of pressure on my neck, and I can just sit here and relax, okay? I really like this. Now, what I ended up doing is I only used the top one, okay? If I needed this to go up a little bit higher, I could have put the straps on the bottom one and it would raise it up a little bit. But I'm just gonna leave it here on the bottom or on the top ones for now. And it's real simple. It just goes over like that. And you can see the white, it matches pretty good. Once these wrinkles go out, it's gonna look pretty hot. I mean, I like it. It gives me a little bit of, right here on the bottom of my neck, it's giving me some good pressure right there, and that's what I really needed. So, hey guys, once again, these are from my buddies from tesery. They have different ones, different colors. They have lots of other different accessories from Tesla as well. For all your different vehicles, go there and check them out. I like the fact, once again, that they do come with the two straps. If you need two of them, or if you only need one, that way you can adjust the height of it up and down a couple inches. I mean, it's pretty nice. Once these wrinkles go out, it's going to look pretty good in here. I can put this on the passenger side so my passengers have a little bit of support for their neck. I'm loving this right now because it's putting the pressure right here in the bottom of my neck, and I really, really like that. So once again, guys, it's from my friends at tesery. The link will be down below in the description of my video. Make sure you click on it. Use my discount code TESLAB. Save yourself some money. Make sure that it's applied at checkout. And guys, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Peace.